If you are planning to bring your spouse, parents, children, or siblings to the United States in 2026, this video will explain exactly how the U.S. Family Petition process works, step by step, using official government sources. Many applications get delayed because of small mistakes. So today, I'll break this down clearly so you understand the categories, the required forms, and what to expect in 2026. Let's get started. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to American News Updates. In today's video, we are discussing the official U.S. family-based immigration process for 2026. All information in this video is based on publicly available guidance from USCIS, U.S. Department of State, Department of Homeland Security. This video is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute legal advice. Pushpin Section 1. What is a family petition? A family petition allows U.S. citizens and lawful permanent residents to sponsor certain relatives for lawful permanent residence, also known as a green card. The process typically starts with Form I-130, Petition for Alien Relative, filed with USCIS. This form establishes a qualifying family relationship between the petitioner and the beneficiary. Once approved, the case either continues inside the United States through adjustment of status or abroad through Consular Processing. Family Man-Woman-Girl Section 2. Who can sponsor family members? There are two main sponsor categories. Keycap 1 U.S. citizens. U.S. citizens can sponsor spouses, unmarried children under 21, unmarried sons and daughters over 21, married sons and daughters, parents if the citizen is at least 21 years old, brothers and sisters. Some of these relatives fall under the immediate relative category, which does not have annual visa limits. Keycap 2 lawful permanent residents, green card holders. Green card holders can sponsor spouses, unmarried children. However, they cannot sponsor parents or siblings. Bar chart Section 3. Immediate relatives versus family preference. This is very important for 2026 applicants. Immediate relatives includes spouses of U.S. citizens, parents of U.S. citizens, unmarried children under 21 of U.S. citizens. These categories are not subject to annual visa caps. Family preference categories. These include F1, unmarried adult children of U.S. citizens. F2A, spouses and minor children of green card holders. F2B, unmarried adult children of green card holders. F3, married children of U.S. citizens. F4, siblings of U.S. citizens. These categories are subject to annual limits and may experience waiting periods depending on visa availability. Visa availability is published monthly by the U.S. Department of State in the Visa Bulletin. Memo Section 4, Step-by-Step Process. Let's break down the general process. Step 1, file Form I-130. Submit the petition with supporting documents proving U.S. citizenship or permanent residence. The qualifying family relationship. Step 2, USCIS review. USCIS reviews the petition. Processing times vary by service center. Step 3, visa availability. If in a preference category, applicants must wait until their priority date becomes current according to the Visa Bulletin. Step 4, adjustment of status or consular processing. If the beneficiary is inside the U.S. and eligible, they may file Form I-485 for adjustment of status. If outside the U.S., the case proceeds through the National Visa Center and then to a U.S. embassy or consulate. Money Bag Section 5, financial sponsorship requirement. The petitioner must file Form I-864, Affidavit of Support. This form demonstrates that the sponsor meets the required income level, generally 125% of the federal poverty guidelines. If income is insufficient, a joint sponsor may be required. Failure to meet financial requirements can delay the case. Section 6. Common mistakes that cause delays. Here are some common issues. Incorrect or incomplete forms. Missing supporting documents. Not checking the latest USCIS instructions. Misrepresentation of information. Ignoring requests for evidence. Always verify the most current forms directly on the USCIS website before filing. To summarize, The U.S. Family Petition process in 2026 begins with Form I-130, depends on your relationship category, and may involve either adjustment of status or consular processing. Immediate relatives typically do not face annual visa limits, while family preference categories may have waiting periods. For the most accurate and updated guidance, always refer directly to USCIS, U.S. Department of State. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for verified U.S. immigration updates explained clearly and professionally. Thank you for watching.